Hey there, South Florida. I'm meteorologist Luke Doris. We are in for some rain today and tonight. This is, as of this recording, Tropical Depression 18 that's responsible for all this rain. It could become a tropical storm. If it did, it would be Tropical Storm Philippe. It's going to make a very near pass to South Florida. What you need to know about this storm is it's a rainmaker for us primarily, though it could kick up some severe weather. There is a risk for some strong storms out of this, but rain's the big one here. So what to expect through the rest of today and tonight. Heavy rain. Again, some of those showers and thunderstorms could show a little bit of rotation. We could have some isolated tornado warnings through the day. But 2 to 4 inches widespread. A few of us could see 6 inches of rain. So the flood threat is number 1 with this one. So here's the cone. It will make its closest approach to South Florida as we go through about 2 to 3 o'clock in the morning. After that, it starts to depart very quickly. By tomorrow morning, it's already well east of South Florida, and tomorrow afternoon, it's out in the western Atlantic, probably as a tropical storm. So anyway, here's what we're dealing with through the rest of today. Some gusty winds at times. Yes, a couple of us close to the beaches could have gusts to near 40. Otherwise, it's the heavy-duty rain. Tomorrow morning, we still have some showers around. Then it clears out for the afternoon. This is going to help pull in some cooler air as well. So that front that we had last week, this is going to have a similar effect for us. So look at your forecast. So 81 degrees, our high today. Tomorrow, 83. And then watch us drop down to the 70s on Monday. Monday just looks great. The later part of your Sunday actually will probably be fairly nice as well. Take you into Halloween. Still very pleasant, highs near 80, mainly dry even on in through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Overall, some nice weather once we get past this tropical depression or possible tropical storm. Have a good day.